When installing an electrical panel on a shear wall, several requirements must be met to ensure safety and compliance with the electrical codes. Firstly, clearance is paramount. Maintain a minimum of 6 inches of clearance from the panel to any combustible materials, such as studs or wallboard. This helps prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. Secondly, spacing is important for accessibility. Allow 30 inches of clear working space in front of the panel to provide adequate room for maintenance and repairs. This ensures that electricians can safely access the panel without obstructions. Sheathing is also crucial. A wall should be covered with fire-resistant sheathing such as gypsum board to provide an additional layer of protection against fire. This helps contain any potential electrical fires and prevents them from spreading. Drilling through the wall to run wires is permissible, but it must be done carefully to avoid damaging structural components or existing wiring. Ensure that the holes are properly sealed after the wires are installed to prevent drafts and moisture from entering the wall cavity. The panel should be enclosed by a box or enclosure made of 2x6 wood studs to provide physical protection and prevent accidental contact with live wires. The enclosure must extend at least 6 inches past the top and bottom of the panel and 3 inches to each side, providing ample space for wiring and connections. The enclosure's back must be fire-rated and secured to the wall studs with fire-rated screws to maintain fire resistance. The enclosure must provide access to the panel through a hinged or removable door, allowing for easy inspection and maintenance. Additional requirements include installing a grounding electrode system, such as a ground rod, near the panel to provide a path for fault current to safely dissipate. Connect the panel to the main breaker or fuse in the service entrance to provide overcurrent protection for the circuits connected to the panel. Use appropriate gauge wire and circuit breakers based on the electrical load to prevent overloading and potential fire hazards. Label all circuits and wires clearly to facilitate troubleshooting and maintenance. Obtain permits and inspections from local authorities as required to ensure compliance with built-in codes and regulations. The installation procedure involves several steps. 1. Determine the location of the panel and enclosure, taking into account clearance, spacing, and accessibility requirements. 2. Cut and install the 2x6 enclosure studs, ensuring that they are securely fastened to the wall studs. 3. Drill holes in the wall for wire routing, being careful to avoid damaging structural components or existing wiring. 4. Feed wires through the holes and into the enclosure, ensuring that they are properly secured and protected. 5. Mount the electrical panel and connect the wires, following the manufacturer's instructions and electrical code requirements. 6. Install the enclosure door or cover, ensuring that it is properly aligned and securely fastened. 7. Obtain approval from a licensed electrician or building inspector to verify that the installation meets all applicable codes and regulations. It is crucial to always refer to local built-in codes and the manufacturer's instructions for specific requirements and guidelines, as they may vary depending on the location and type of electrical panel. Working with electricity can be dangerous, and if there are any doubts or discomfort in performing the installation, contacting a qualified electrician for assistance is highly advisable. Remember to turn off the power at the main breaker before beginning any electrical work to prevent electric shock. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, to protect against potential hazards. Double-check all connections to ensure that they are tight and secure to prevent loose connections and potential fire hazards. Test the electrical panel and circuits after installation to ensure that they are functioning properly. By following these requirements and guidelines, the installation of an electrical panel on a shear wall can be performed safely and effectively, ensuring a reliable and compliant electrical system. The panel itself is a crucial component of an electrical system, distributing power from the main service to various circuits throughout a building. Understanding its function and proper installation is vital for maintaining a safe and efficient electrical infrastructure. Panels come in different sizes and configurations depending on the electrical load requirements of the building. Selecting the appropriate panel size is essential to avoid overloading and potential hazards. The panel's ampere rating determines the maximum amount of current it can safely handle. Circuit breakers are used to protect individual circuits from overcurrents. They are designed to trip and interrupt the flow of electricity when the current exceeds the rated capacity of the circuit. Using the correct size circuit breakers for each circuit is crucial for preventing overloads and potential fire hazards. Wiring within the electrical panel must be done carefully and according to electrical code requirements. Wires must be properly sized for the load they are carrying and securely connected to the circuit breakers and neutral busbar. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety. The grounding system provides a path for fault current to safely dissipate, preventing electric shock and equipment damage. The grounding electrode system typically consists of a ground rod or other grounding conductor connected to the panel. Regular inspection and maintenance of the electrical panel are essential for ensuring its continued safe and reliable operation. Look for signs of damage such as corrosion, loose connections, or overheating. Replace any damaged components promptly. Keep the panel clean and free of debris to prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. If any unusual sounds or smells are detected coming from the electrical panel, immediately turn off the power and call a qualified electrician. Never attempt to repair or modify the electrical panel without proper training and experience. Working with electricity can be dangerous, and it is always best to err on the side of caution. Familiarize yourself with the local electrical codes and regulations to ensure compliance. Obtain all necessary permits and inspections before starting any electrical work. By following these guidelines, the safety and reliability of the electrical panel and the entire electrical system can be ensured. When running wires through the wall, it is important to use appropriate wiring methods such as conduit or cable trays to protect the wires from damage and ensure compliance with electrical code requirements. Conduit provides a physical barrier to protect the wires from abrasion, moisture, and other environmental factors. Cable trays are used to support and organize large runs of cables. When drilling holes for the wires, use a drill bit that is the appropriate size for the wire or conduit. Avoid drilling holes that are too large, as this can weaken the structural integrity of the wall. After the wires are installed, seal the holes with fire-rated sealant to prevent drafts and moisture from entering the wall cavity. This also helps maintain the fire resistance of the wall assembly. When connecting wires to the electrical panel, use appropriate connectors and terminals. Ensure that the connections are tight and secure to prevent loose connections and potential fire hazards. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for connecting the wires to the circuit breakers and neutral busbar. Use a torque wrench to tighten the connections to the specified torque value. Over-tightening or under-tightening the connections can lead to problems. When labeling the circuits, use a permanent marker or label maker to clearly identify each circuit. Include information such as the circuit number, the area it serves, and the type of load it powers. This will make it easier to troubleshoot and maintain the electrical system in the future. Keep a record of the electrical panel layout and circuit assignments. This will be helpful for future reference and maintenance. Consider using a software program or mobile app to manage the electrical panel information. This can make it easier to access and update the information as needed. By following these best practices, the installation of an electrical panel on a shear wall can be performed safely, effectively, and in compliance with electrical code requirement. The goal is to create a reliable and safe electrical system that will serve the building for many years to come. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when working with electricity. If there are any doubts or concerns, always consult with a qualified electrician. Their expertise can help ensure that the electrical system is installed correctly and safely. Furthermore, consider the long-term maintenance and accessibility of the electrical panel when determining its location. Choose a location that is easy to access for future inspections and repairs. Avoid locating the panel in areas that are prone to moisture or damage. Consider the aesthetics of the electrical panel when choosing its location. While functionality is the primary concern, it is also important to choose a location that is visually appealing. A well-installed and maintained electrical panel can add value to the building. It demonstrates that the electrical system is in good condition and that the building is safe for occupants. A poorly installed or maintained electrical panel can detract from the value of the building and create potential safety hazards. Invest in quality electrical components and materials. This will ensure that the electrical system is reliable and long-lasting. Cheap or inferior components can fail prematurely and create potential safety hazards. Consider the energy efficiency of the electrical panel and its components. Choose components that are energy efficient to reduce energy consumption and save money on electricity bills. Install surge protection devices to protect the electrical panel and connected equipment from voltage surges. Surge protection devices can help prevent damage from lightning strikes and other electrical disturbances. Educate building occupants about the electrical panel and its function. This will help them understand how the electrical system works and how to use it safely. Provide them with information on how to report any electrical problems or concerns. By taking these additional steps, the installation of an electrical panel on a shear wall can be further enhanced, ensuring a safe, reliable, and energy-efficient electrical system for the building.